Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it's Fold It Club time. What? Now, Fold It Club, what is that? What is it? What is all the buzz about? Well, the Fold It Club is our newest club and probably our fastest growing, most exciting. Everybody loves it. Let me just tell you, we have some people that are in all of our clubs. They're called the Diamond members, but the Fold It Club is the hottest thing off the presses. And what is a Fold It? A Fold It is a shaped card. When I was a little girl, my grandma gave me a gray cat shaped card, and I've always loved it, and now I'm bringing back shaped cards. Are you ready for this? Get set, here we go. It is called the Hot Air Balloon Fold It, and let me just tell you, it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It has all these extra layering pieces, makes an A2 sized card. But wait, my friends, there's more, because you're also getting 2 stencils in this kit. Now you're getting this gorgeous cloud one, which is really fun, and it's really I gotta just show you this because this is awesome. Ready? So you're getting this cloud one, and I have cloud shapes all the way around. Look at that. There are cloud shapes all the way around, but there's also cloud shapes on the inside. So you're gonna be having a stencil heaven when you do these clouds because they're so much fun, right? But wait, there's more, because you're also getting a stencil that coordinates with the Fold It to decorate it. And what I've done on our stencils it's really fun because I've etched. I've literally had them etch, so that's not a full cut, etch where you would place it on your die cut so you know it's lined up perfectly to make those fun shapes. And you know what? Let me just tell you, stencils, we all love them, right? They're just so awesome. So the Fold It Club members get the Fold It, and they get 2 5x7 stencils every month sent to them automatically. And then of course they're getting all of the ideas. We send an idea card. You're getting the 15% discount on our website. Oh, being a club member is amazing. So let me share some samples with you, because my design team, and I say this a lot, but my design team is amazing, let me tell you. So here's one gorgeous one by Cheryl. You can tell this is Cheryl because she loves our 3D inks more than anybody on earth. And she's decorated this completely with all those fun dots. She added in stenciled lines, and then she went with little dots on top. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely love it. Here's a gorgeous one. Look how fun that is. Sorry, I missed your birthday. Fun clouds. You are getting those clouds in this set. So I was able to add a couple clouds. I added some little rings to put like the little things down if you wanted to add the little strings if you wanted to. Here's a cute one. Oh my goodness. So you can see by using those extra layering dies and that fun stencil, you can really, really decorate these a ton. Look at those fun dots on there. Yvette made this one where it's kind of like an antique looking Fold It, which is really cute. I love it. She has our little kitty cat sitting in that basket. Isn't that adorable? There's so much character to these. Here's another cute one. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. Now, if you don't want to do shaped card, look at this. You could even put it on a 5x7 card or an A2 size card. Love you. Now, last but not least, definitely, is this gorgeous mobile Michelle made out of our felt. You know, we all love our little stuffies, and Michelle went overboard on this gorgeous one with using our twine and everything. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. I think I'm just going to put it outside on my patio. It doesn't make noise. It's not a wind chime, which I'm kind of glad because I can't do well with noise. But isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love it. So, club members, yours are already on their way to you. So exciting. They're supposed to go on the 1st, but let me just tell you, sometimes Ken gets them in the mail a little early. Don't tell anybody, okay? So exciting. If you're not in the club, go check out our video about the Fold It Club. Just go watch it. You're gonna love it. You're gonna fall in love. The minimum commitment's only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime because you know what? You're not gonna want to. It's too much fun. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.